Hello and welcome to Algorithm Integrity Matters. This podcast is for financial services leaders who want to enhance fairness and accuracy in their use of data, algorithms, and AI. I'm your host, Yusuf Mullah. This is the final article in the Explainability series. So this article is titled Algorithmic System Integrity, Explainability, Part 6, and this is about interpretability. So the too long didn't listen, didn't read is technical stakeholders need detailed explanations. Non-technical stakeholders need plain language, visuals, layering, literacy, and feedback are among the techniques we can use. So this is, as I said, the final article in the series that started a few episodes ago. To recap the challenge, we need explanations that are both accurate and understandable. Non-technical people typically need plain language explanations. This is not always easy to achieve when the starting point is a complex mathematical concept. Converting to plain language can mean that important context is lost. Technical people often need technical explanations, but there are nuances like the need to translate system field names to more meaningful names. Some complexity needs to be retained for certain purposes and removed for others. So as solutions to this interpretability challenge, we have 4 potential approaches, and here they are. The first is visuals. For non-technical stakeholders, visuals can help simplify complex concepts. For example, explaining AI decision-making processes through flowcharts or diagrams. If done well, they can help to reduce the loss of context that often comes with plain language translation. For technical stakeholders, visuals can help with understanding complex flows or interactions. The second potential solution to this interpretability problem is layering. Layered explanations can work for different levels of technical expertise. We could, for example, have high-level summaries for non-technical stakeholders and keep building on this until we get to the detailed technical explanations for technical personnel. Or we could start with the details and pare back until we have the layer or version that suits non-technical stakeholders. Importantly, we still need each layer to be accurate and consistent with the other layers. We need to avoid contradictions because this can erode trust. It's a real problem. Explainability is, in part anyway, about enhancing trust. The third potential solution is literacy. Training and education programs for stakeholders to improve their understanding of AI systems. This can include a range of levels of education. For example, workshops on AI basics or algorithm basics for non-technical stakeholders, advanced technical training for developers, and then various others in between. There's an article that's linked in this article that explains tailoring literacy efforts to different roles, and that includes for humanity's 5 distinct personas. The fourth possible solution is feedback. Feedback mechanisms can be used to gauge the effectiveness of explanations, and this can help identify where explanations are unclear or ambiguous. A note on literacy. The third item, literacy, is the topic of a past article, as we've said, and is likely to be the topic of future articles. Even among highly capable people, it is not sufficiently appreciated, and it might be one of the most important topics in algorithmic system integrity. That's the end of this article and this series. Thanks for listening.